Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures for your headphones QCY T9S. You have to start by open QCY application, now go to settings, and right here we can customize our gestures. So let's start with one click. So for the left one I wanna change, we have same options for all of pressings. So for one touch I wanna on my left earbud manage assistance, so I choose voice assistant. On the right one I wanna play and pause, so I leave it. For a double touch I wanna volume down, so I click on it, and for a right one I wanna volume up. And for a triple touch, for the left one I wanna skip track backward, so to play previous song, and for the right one I wanna play next song, so I'm choose skip track forward. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!